welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited because again there is a huge sale on Nykaa, and I thought it is a great time to recommend the best of things out there. I mean the body care category, skin care category, hair care category, and I really wanted to make a video which is utterly unsponsored. Everything is bought by my own money, and I have been using all of these things, and they are on major discounts on Nykaa. So I thought, why not make a video and suggest or recommend something for you all. So here we go. So let's quickly get started. So I'm really excited about the body care category because I have always been like a skincare junkie. So I put a lot of stuff on my face, especially the skincare bit. But recently I have like been introduced to so many body care products because I really wanted my skin color, like my face color, to match with my body, because every part, like each part of my body had different kind of a tan or different kind of a tone, which made it really difficult to the kind of clothes I was wearing. If it was sleeveless, my one arm looked very different, another arm looked very different, and it did not match with any part of the body. So I really wanted to focus myself this year on body care stuff. So I've got like great recommendations. So let's quickly get started. I also have like my desktop right here where I'm looking at all the discounts that is happening at today's date. So this video is going to go up tomorrow, which is I think 11th of Feb. Today is 10th of Feb, and this sale is up to 16th of February. So I'm very excited. So I think I've spoken a lot, so let's quickly dive in. Okay, I've got like all the stuff right here with me. So let's quickly start with the body care category first. So the number one product I have is this right here. Now this is the Chemist at Play with essential ceramides. Okay, this is the daily exfoliating body wash, and this has 4% of lactic acid, salicylic acid with vitamin E. So fabulous. I love this product. There are so many reasons to it, because it has lactic acid, which actually claims to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells and smoothens roughy and bumpy skin. So if you're someone who have like strawberry skin on your body, and you know there's a lot of tan going on, you can really rely on this product. And you know the best part about this product is you can also use this on your face. I use this on my face and there has been no breakout. I would say that it has really helped me to match my body tone with my skin tone on my face. It is absolutely stunning. So if there is one body wash that I would recommend out of the other that I'm going to recommend today, I think go with this one. And this one right here, I think is for, okay, it is for 31% off, which is fabulous. So get your hands on this. This is really good, and anything which has ceramide is like a cherry on top, you know. So I absolutely love this product. And if you're someone who has pigmentation issue, or if you have strawberry skin, you can absolutely rely on this. This is such a wonderful product. So next product is very interesting. So I really got intrigued looking at this product, which is by Earth Rhythm, and this is their butter cream soap. Such a great product. If you're someone who doesn't like the body wash ka consistency, you can actually go and grab this one. Now this says it is a berry smoothie, and it has acai berry extract. Now this is something exactly like the smoothie that you have. It's so good on the skin. I mean, you just need this much, okay? You need like a pea size, and it will just cover all your body. Now what does this do? It honestly doesn't do anything. It just makes you feel very good. I honestly haven't seen what it claims. I don't know what it honestly claims. This is something, if you want to have like what do I say, if you are home alone and you want to have like a good good a time at the shower where you're just relaxing and you just want your body to feel super soft and you want your body to feel good and smell good, then you can probably go with this. This doesn't do anything because it doesn't have any chemical actives in there, but it definitely makes your skin very very smooth. And I don't use it like every day. It's like once a week when I really want my body to feel very very soft, and I just want to take some time and just relax. That's the time I use this one. If you're someone who loves to be in the shower, I think you can absolutely get your hands on this. And this is, by the way, for 399 rupees, and this is at 30% off, which I mean you'll get this product for 279 rupees. So go get your hands on it, only if you're someone who loves spending time in the spa and just want like nice, a smoother skin, softer skin. So you can grab this one and try for yourself. So the next one is again in the same category where you really want to smell good, you really want your body to feel soft and supple. So this is by Plump. Now you would have already seen a lot of creators out there, a lot of influencers out there, if I may say so, who have been recommending this and have asked you all to pair this with the body lotion, which I completely agree on. I mean, this is such a great product. Now I've used so much, okay, this much I've used. Now this is again like a feel good product. It doesn't do anything on your body. It is not to target anything like your pigments or anything. It is just to make you feel good. So when you come out, that smell of that caramel really makes you feel good, makes you feel very confident, because your body doesn't how do I say, I am someone who is very very sweaty. So if I am about to head out, I use this because I know that after few hours I'm going to sweat and there's going to be so much of odor, right? So I use this and then I top this off with the same category of body lotion, and it does the job. And also it really makes your skin so soft and supple. So I really like this product. So if you're someone again who who are in that category of, you get very very sweaty, you have like oily body type, then I think you should really try this one. It is really great. And if you're someone who really loves fragrance, then you can try this. If you love the caramel wala thing, the caramel wala fragrance, if you like, you can get your hands on this. And I forgot, this one is at 17% off at Nykaa. So you know it, if you like it, just go and grab it for yourself. So next one is again my absolute favorite, because again the pigmentation problem and the strawberry skin problem, the whole thing happens when you shave. So I don't go for what do you say, it's been like I think a decade that I have not done it. Oh, waxing, I'm sorry. So if you're someone who don't like to wax because it's super painful, I'm someone who will just use like a razor and that's about it. And but problem here, if you don't exfoliate it properly and you don't put like the correct lotion, then there is a chance of having like a crazy strawberry skin. So what I do is I use this. Okay, now the iska halat to crazy ho chuka hai, I don't know why. Let's fix this because I have a problem. So this is Be Body Wise, and this is your 1% salicylic body wash. Now I've already spoken about this product. This says it prevents body acne and exfoliates your dead skin cell, which I absolutely agree. If you are someone who gets like crazy strawberry skin and you get tan very very quickly, this is great to remove that dead skin cell on your body. This really helps. This has like this tiny beads, which really is, it doesn't harm you at all. It is not sharp. It gently exfoliates your skin and really makes your skin feel and look better. So this is something that I absolutely love. It also has salicylic acid, which means if you have tiny bumps on your skin or you get get a lot of acne on your body, you can really get your hands on this. This is absolutely stunning. I've already used this and this is like my second bottle. I had like smaller versions before, so I grabbed myself like a bigger version, I think last month, and then I grabbed this I think last month when there was another sale that was going on. And yeah, I've already spoken about this product in a lot of my videos, so I really love it. So if you have acne on your body, if you get tanned very quickly, if you want to remove your dead skin cell and you are prone to pigmentation, you can really get your hands on this one. And this one right now is at 20% off. बी बॉडी वाइज का डिस्काउंट बहुत ही रेयर आता है. When I grabbed the first one, it was at 5% off, and अभी सेल पे this is at 20% off. So depending on your liking, like if you want a smaller version or a larger bottle, you can go and grab this. It's absolutely stunning and you would not regret it. Okay, another product is again by Be Body Wise. Now this is what it looks like. Amazing product. The second tube that I bought. Now what this is the 10% AHA body scrub, which exfoliates your dead skin cells and removes ingrown hair and tan. Absolutely stunning. You just have to use this product once a week, that's it. And it actively says that you have to use it on your like your elbow, your knees, your underarms, your feet, the down part in there. You have to use it there, so it will help to remove all the dead skin that is accumulated there. And you can also use it on your body. Keep it for few minutes and then gently exfoliate it and just wash it off. That's about it. It's absolutely great, and you just have to use it like once a week. And when you pair these together, I mean, the strawberry skin will just go away. I've been using it and I had crazy shit of strawberries going on my feet, especially near the knee area, and trust me, it's not there right now because I've been using this for straight 3 months continuously, and I think it's an absolute game changer. So if you're someone again has strawberry skin, has a lot of dead skin, please go and grab this. Again, this is at 19% discount on Nykaa, so it's a great time to get your hands on, especially the Be Body Wise products, because they don't come up with discounts very often. I mean, I've got a lot of body care products this time. And to sum up the body care category, the last product I have with me is the Dove. Now I have already spoken about this. This is again an exfoliating body polish, crushed lavender and coconut milk. I mean, this is such a great product. I have already spoken about this product in my videos, and this one right here is at 30% discount, you guys. 30% discount. If you're someone who loves exfoliating your body, it is such a great product. एकदम ही hype हो गया था इंटरनेट पे last year about this product, where creators had gone crazy speaking about the Dove products, and I thought I really had to get my hands on it. Honestly, genuinely, it really makes your body, your skin feel super supple and super soft. And this product, again, like I said, it is at 30% discount, and you just have to use this product 3 to 4 times a week. That's about it, and you don't have to use it every single day because again, it is exfoliating product. Absolutely stunning. So if you're someone who really wants like baby soft skin, go grab this one. Okay, one more recommendation. I've actually ordered a product for myself, but it's not come, so I really wanted to talk about a product which has been going crazy on the internet, which is the Dove Glow Recharge Exfoliating Serum Body Wash with 3% brightening serum and vitamin C. This body wash is like, my god, so many people are talking about it. I don't know what's the hype is all about, but this product right here is at 20% off, so I thought, why not, try this product and see and then give you a review. So a lot of people are talking about it, and there are amazing reviews on Nykaa as well. So if you're someone who really want to try a new body wash, I would really highly recommend you all to go grab this and put that in the comments, like if you liked it or not, or if you have already used this, tell me in the comment if it was a good purchase or no, because the ingredients look great, I mean the claims look great, and like genuine creators have recommended it, so I had to get my hands on it. So yes, let's move to another category now. Okay, let's move to the body lotion category and oil category. So let's quickly jump in. So I have got two products from Vaseline. Now one is the Vaseline ka Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum Lotion, and one is their again Gluta-Hya, but it is an overnight radiance serum lotion. Now these two are super amazing. I love the fragrance, love the texture. Such a great formulation product. If you are someone who really likes the products not to be chappy and not to be greasy and not very sticky, then you can definitely get your hands on this, and you're not going to you're not going to be, I'm not getting the word, I'm like, you would not regret, you would really not regret. It's such an amazing product. I mean, the smell of this product, it's so beautiful. If you're someone who've already tried this, you would know what I'm talking about. Both of these products are so good. If I have to just show you, the consistency of this product is amazing. Instantly feels cooler, and when you apply, see, there is no white color ka grease or crease or grease. Can you see the difference? It really makes your skin so soft and supple and everything. So I use this one in the morning after shower, and I use this at night after my shower. Absolutely love it. These are at 25% discount. So if you're someone who loves a good smelling body lotion, and that too a serum pin lotion, get your hands on it. By the way, this has 10% more, like 10% more powerful actives than vitamin C. And again, this one also claims the same thing. The only thing is, this one I think has niacinamide, Glutaglow and Hyaluron, and this one has Glutaglow, Hyaluron, aminopeptide complex. So I mean, love this one. Really fabulous products. Okay, so if you're someone who step out of the house, goes to work, and you need a body sunscreen, right? So this one right here is such a stunner product. This is, by the way, by Wishcare, and this is their sunscreen body lotion, broad spectrum, UVA, UVB protection. I've gone crazy. It has niacinamide, ceramides, carrot seed and raspberry, and it has SPF 50 with the PA3 pluses for everyday sun protection. This one again is at 21% off. Extremely great. It does take a little while, like very little while, to to settle in your skin, but such a great product. I really love it. It's not giving me like acne on my skin. It did not break my skin out. It's really stunning product. If you're looking for something for sun protection, which is so essential, because summers are gonna come. We are already in February. It's super hot in Pune, and yeah, I think you can really get your hands on this one. It's absolutely great. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so you remember the body wash category, I spoke about the Caramello body wash. Now this is the body lotion that I was talking to you about. Always remember that if you're using like a body wash, especially which has fragrance, pair it with a body lotion of the same category, so that the scent or the fragrance stays in there. It would be like a game changer. That's a tip I heard from a creator, and I used this, and it is really stunning. So yeah, this is again the vanilla caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. Absolutely great. It has vitamin B5 in it. So yes, if you're someone who loves a vanilla caramel kind of a fragrance. You can really check this out, but remember, like I said, pair it with a body wash and it will be so stunning. And yeah, this is at 17% discount on Nykaa, so go check it out. Okay, so last product recommendation in the body care wala category, which is a body oil. Now this is by Wishcare and this is the 100% pure extra virgin coconut oil, cold pressed. Superb. Now what do I do with it? And there is a 19% discount on the Wishcare product, especially the oil one. Now what I do with it is, you know, बचपन में parents हमें, हमारे mom dad full body oil लगा देते थे, then you have to sit for 20 minutes and then take shower. You know, I absolutely loved that process, and I have recently, like very few weeks पहले, I don't know what did I say, but थोड़े weeks पहले I started using this, where I was just applying it on my whole body and giving it like own खुद से I was giving massage, like my knees, my underarms, my ears, my back of the ears, neck, shoulders, everywhere, and I was just massaging it. And then I took a shower and I came back and my body felt so good. So the thing is, when you put body oil and then when you use like a body wash, it's easier for the dirt to come out, you know. It really helps all the gunk that is there in your body to just come out, and you also give like a good nourishment to your body, because coconut oil is so fabulous. So yes, love this product, and I absolutely recommend it if you're someone who really loves body oil. There's so many body oil out there, but coconut oil is like magic, so totally recommend it. Well, let's move to the hair care category. I just have 4 products, very simple with the hair. Number 1 product I have is by Indie Wild. Now I've already spoken about this product, I've already used this. Now there's a lot of buzz, okay? A lot of people have also told me that it has not worked and it has been utterly waste for them, but honestly I feel I have used this product and it's really good, okay? Now the thing is that you cannot be using it once a week and not using it for 2 weeks and then use it and then you say it's waste. You really have to be super consistent with it. So for example, you're someone who takes shower, like hair wash, you do it like every 2 days or like once a week or twice a week. You have to make sure that you put this a night before, or you actually use it 20 minutes before you get into your shower, and then see like what kind of changes you see on your hair, because it really helps. I'm so sorry, I have to go and get my parcel. Oops, I'm so sorry. So yes, I was talking about this product right here. This is at 20% discount if I have forgotten, because I really don't know what did I rant, because it's so stunning. I really love this product. ऐसा नहीं है that I've just used it and I'm just saying it. I've used like so much of the product, okay, and I'm someone who uses or washes my hair twice a week and not more than that, and I really use this like a day prior, like at night, and then wash my scalp in the morning, or I use like 20 minutes before I get into the shower, and that's about it. Really smells amazing. It is really light on your hair, and I think it really does the job. On obviously you're not going to see like you just applied the hair oil and there is no going to be hair fall. There is going to be, but with every use the hair fall have really reduced. So again, you really need to take a tiny bottle, check it for yourself, test it out and see if it is working out for you or no, and then grab like a larger bottle. Don't go and grab a large bottle and then be like, no, it's not working out. Because every scalp is different, every skin is different, all of us are so much unique. So you really need to test products out before you get like a larger bottle, because it's really expensive. I know it is on 20% discount, but for this bottle it's honestly genuinely very expensive, because we have been grown up using like 100 rupees ka coconut hair oil, and when it comes to like 1000 rupees, 1200 rupees for an hair oil, it really it's like a big hole in your pocket, right? But then if it's really good product, I really don't feel that it's waste, because just imagine that आप बाहर जा रहे हो and you're getting like 10 different kind of products which cost you around 100 rupees, but none of them are working. Instead, invest yourself in like a good bottle of Champi and then try it out, and if it works out, because the quality also matters, right? And if it works out for you, it's absolutely great, right? So yeah, my whole point right here is that it's really stunning, and try it for yourself, and if you love it, then just go for a bigger bottle. So let's move on to another one. Well, the next product that I have is by Wishcare. Now this is their hair growth serum concentrate. I'll also be doing like an empty video where I'm going to show the products that I've used and bought it again. This is my second bottle. Such a great bottle. Let me just come close. Now can you see these hair right here? Now these are all baby hair. So I had like, see, if you see my forehead is any which ways broader, that is what I feel. So I usually don't tie like a hair my hair behind, because I know it's a little large, but I really wanted to do that today because I can actually see so many hair coming right here. It's such a great product. I mean, you just have to spray it on your hair, like on your scalp, and that's about it. And I love the fact that it comes in a pump like thing कि आप बस उसको spray कर दो and your hair doesn't get dirty, no hassle, nothing. It is all clean and good. So you just have to apply this on your hair, and it says that it helps to regrow your hair, especially on this space or anywhere where you have like baldness or everything. I use only this part because I've got a severe problem here, and also had this space which was a little kind of empty, if I might say so, because PCOS था तो बहुत hair fall हो रहा था, and I tried this along with my PCOS medication for sure. And I think it really worked. If you're someone who have major hair fall issue, I think instead of just putting that shampoo on your hair, which is just going to be there for a minute and it is just going to make your hair so frizzy, I think you really need to invest in a good serum, and I think this is so good. And this is, by the way, at 31% off. And yeah, if you want, just get yourself this Wishcare hair growth serum concentrate. It has great ingredients in there, so get it for yourself. So next category and the final category is a skincare category, which is my absolute favorite. I've got like few products in right here because I've already spoken about so many products about skincare in my previous video. So I really wanted to keep it very simple, the best few products that I use, and I really want to recommend and I want you all to get your hands on it. So let's quickly get started. So the number one product is by Foxtail. So much buzz was about this purple color ka, you know, mask, and like everyone was going crazy. So I got my hands on it, and this is, by the way, the Stunner Skin Radiant Mask, and this is, by the way, for 20% discount. Such a great mask. As soon as you apply it on your face feels so cooling, and it actually claims, it comes with a pamphlet which says that you really need to use it like for proper 14 times, and they've also put in like when you should be using it to see the results. So that is very important. Such a great product, man. I mean, what do I say? It has Brazilian purple clay, lactic acid, and it says that it cleans pores and reduces blackheads and removes skin clarity and helps your tone. So if you're someone who's looking for a good face mask, then you can really get your hands on this. It's really beautiful. So the next product I have is by Tony Moly. I've already spoken about this product, and this is their Ceramide Mochi Toner. And the thing about this product is it is for 1500 rupees, but right now it is straight for 30% off. So it's a great time to get your hands on this one. I got this for 900 rupees in the sale, like during the sale. It's really great, and if you see, I bought this in November, so December or January ho gaya, and still I've just used this much, and I use this every single morning, and we've got so much left. I think it will go an entire year, and to put in that money, I think it is not going to harm you at all. It is really great. It nourishes and moisturizes your skin, and it's toner for bouncy and mochi like skin. It's basically like a Korean thing that was going on, you know, and which is still going on. Like people want like Korean like skin, which again, it's controversial. I don't want to talk about it, but then yeah, this is really good product. And yeah, if you're someone who's really looking for a good toner, you should really grab this one because it's at great discount. So the next product I have is by Cosrx. Now I've used the snail mucin, which is so good. I really wanted to try some of the other products, and I tried their skin. I mean the six peptide skin booster serum. So good. I mean, it claims for an even skin tone, hydrating, firmness and smoothness, pore and sebum care, and improves your skin texture. You have to be very consistent with it. Again, I've used only this much and there's a lot more to go, but this is such a stunning serum, I should say this. But honestly, more than a serum, I feel like it does more. It is so thin that it feels like a toner to you and not as a serum. So I think, which is really good, so that it really seeps into your skin. Again, this is at 15% off. This is extremely expensive, to be very honest. So this is for 2050 and it is giving you 15% off. And I also think with some cards and something, you'll again get additional 10% off. So again, this is such a great product, and it really works. So there's so much of hype about this Korean skin tone again, so I thought let's give it a try. So what I do is I actually follow a lot of dermats and also creators who genuinely do their research and then pick products, because even I'm someone who will like literally read ingredients, go Google, go to the websites, like, you know, the proper website where you'll get a lot of information and read about the ingredients and then pick my products. I would not randomly pick products. So new few creators, जैसे हो गया तारिणी हो गए, who's based, I think she's an Indian but she's based from Bali, and she does great product recommendation. There's Tarini, then there is, I think, Chetali, who's also started like a course where she's telling you how you have to use your skincare products and stuff. So really rely on these kind of people to put in my money, because brands are not going to send me things. I have to put in my money, and I really have to think before I buy a product, right? Because these are so expensive. So I basically rely on these influencers when I have to pick like expensive products, because I know that they have done their research, and then I do my research on that product to see if it's gonna work on my skin, because obviously their skin type is going to be very different to mine. I have like combination skin, and during winters it is super dry, so I have to make sure that there is a balance, because I don't want that I'm using some product and after a while it gets expired because I'm not using it because of the skin conditioning getting changed. So that's the reason I have to be very cautious when I'm picking a product, because it's very expensive, right? So if you're someone who really want like good peptide serum and it is super lightweight, you can really get your hands on this. This is, by the way, again, I have already mentioned, it is at 15% discount. Okay, last product recommendation, that's it, not any much more. I mean, I've been using the Indie Wild Ka Bakuchi Oil Tripeptide Complex with squalene. It has amla and saffron. I really wanted to switch from a retinol, but to a retinol in the Ayurvedic wala thing, so that it doesn't damage my skin. And I really wanted to keep it very organic when it comes to night skincare routine. So I tried this. This is, by the way, super oily. So I don't know if you're someone who have extremely oily skin. I don't know how it is going to work on your skin, very honestly. I am a combination skin type. Even I was very hesitant to get this because it was super expensive. This is right now at 25% discount, which is great on Nykaa, but I was very hesitant only because I had combination skin, like my T-zones are oily and rest of the part of the face is dry, so it is very tricky on that terms. But then I got this, I tried. It really takes a lot of time to seep in, and you also feel honestly very uncomfortable at the first 2-3 usage, but then you get okay with it. Because the thing is that when you wake up in the morning, your skin feels so good, man. Your skin feels glowy, your skin feels supple, your skin feels super soft. So I really like the product, and that's the reason I've not stopped using it. And I think it is doing a great job for like a combination skin type like me. It's really stunning. And if you're someone who wants to switch from, you know, the retinol to the Ayurveda thing, you can really get yourself this one. It's really safer. And yeah, I really don't want to make like a lot of products where you get confused. But having said that, if you've seen any of my previous video and you would want me to recommend anything, or if you have questions, drop it in the comments, and I honestly answer each and every comment that is being put on my section. So yeah, that's how we could connect. And yeah, with that, I really hope you liked today's video and the recommendation. I was really honest with whatever I said. So yes, with that, let's end this video. You know the drill. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Share it with someone who would really be beneficial with it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.